It's a 12. It's always a 12. I never have it. What's up, guys? Welcome to the new video. I got a special package in the mail today, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. Let's get going. Can you guess what it is? Long, slim, an awning system for the van. So right here, there's some tracks. It has come with all the hardware in this bag. Here's instructions. Gotta say, pretty nice instructions. I did take a look at them because, see right here, it comes with these brackets. What I will do is use them as a template. So these two guys, we're gonna use them as a template and drill through here. So you may ask, why was I so excited about this? It's just an awning. It's a very, very inexpensive awning. I think I have like $150 into it, $160 maybe. The reason is I can cook outside now, or I should be able to, without getting wet. And these are aluminum, so I don't have to worry about painting them, which is awesome. The awning comes with a channel in the back, and what I'm just simply going to do is put this end through the holes that I just drilled and then slide the awning on, and that should be as simple as that. So it's going to be a very short, exciting video. Awesome. But this was just a step needed to do before we can actually go camping and try this thing out. So I didn't want to just go and, show up with this camping and then, for someone that has thought about putting this up, maybe has a similar setup to what I do or something else, they can at least get an idea of what I did for me. Now, the awning has this little cover here, and this should actually slide in here like so. So we can sort of preload these and put them in, and then put them in their desired positions. Just lift them up and put it in. So we'll put two on this side and two on the other side. I think I'm actually going to switch these out for shorter ones. I don't think we have to have them that long. This is going to be pretty hard with one person, but let's give it a try. All right. Guys, this may not be that bad. Alright, it'll work. I just gotta think this through real quick. Gotta give me all my stuff ready. Approximately right there. Put that one side, washer. Just one. You guys are dying to see how this goes in, but fairly simple. These are the two holes that I drilled, and then simply we're just going to push this through, put the stainless washers like so, and then just attach the lock nuts. In position. What this allows us to do now is move this however far, left and right we want it. But I think I want it pretty spaced equally between the two doors. So probably right there. Let's go see. Somewhere about there. Check it out, guys. I think it looks great, and kind of positioned it halfway over the door. I can always move it. I want to try it like this. I just don't want this thing sticking out so far, when I'm driving. But yeah, check it out. let's go ahead and tighten the bolt and we'll open it up. It's a 12. It's always a 12. I never have it. Now I did make sure to put a washer from this side. I even looked at to see if the washer could slide in the actual groove. Does not look like it. And the instructions don't say anything about adding a washer in the channel, so just gonna go by the instructions. Too tight. Nice awning, nice material. I have not opened it, so the framing and all this installation stuff looks to be, how do you say, acceptable quality. So time will tell. I mean, for $160. Alright. It's long. That's awesome. Alright, how this works, let's see. Do that. It's gonna be the most horrible awning video in a history of awning videos. Oh, okay. Maybe like this. So, learning. This thing swings out. There we go. Opens up. Somehow. Okay. Right there. That works. This is big. This is like a whole freaking 100 square feet. My van just got a balcony with an ocean view. The setup is a little, like, you know, it's kind of a two-person thing. I gotta see a video online or something. It's like a balancing act of the sticks. I gotcha. I get what you're selling. All right. Okay. Like so. This thing clips in there. Holy cow, guys. This is like some serious space. I have the worst place to do this, of course, but nevertheless, maybe I can use my creative camera skills. None. We do get this long selfie stick thing. Let's use it. So, I like it. I like it a lot. It's very good quality. Again, $160 delivered. So you got these Velcro things that you put around here. I'm not going to do it now because this isn't where I'm going to probably store these. I have a little pouch for my awning. I don't think I'll ever be able to do that 100%. But yeah, pretty cool. So, check it out. This video is not a review. This is not how to install it, because I'm sure there's a more proper way. I just did it the way that makes sense to me. I like it. I gotta say, I like it a lot. Can open all the doors. I like the selfie stick. Oh my god, this is like technology that I have yet to see. Holy moly, look at this. We're like, open up the balcony door. Get myself a couple of chairs there. A little table. Drink some coffee. Get a little plant. You know? So it looks like a proper balcony. What do you think, guys? I don't know. I like it. For 160 bucks? No way. I'm genuinely surprised. I was like, I'm just gonna get this, whatever, just to put it on. I really wanted like those hard shell ones, you know, that you just kind of like pop open and they snap out, but nah. What's it called? I think this is like a generic one, doesn't even have a brand name on it. But it was new something. New, let's find out. New. Right there. As always, I'm not affiliated with this company, nor are they sponsoring any of this. Paid for this with my own money. I can't tell you whether it's good or not, but I haven't used it yet. But I gotta say, it looks good. I mean, how can you tell, you know? The only thing I'm not a fan of these, see, I'm already complaining about something. The only thing I'm not a fan of these is you gotta put those ropes from the side here, and there's like a little stake. Also came with the kit. You know, these things, and supposedly they're glow in the dark. And they are, holy cow. So you don't trip over them, because I've done that before. You know, a tent. Oh yeah, so you put these. Gotta say, I'm not a fan of that. I wish that they could come up with some sort of a system that third leg or that second leg over there has some sort of a support or something. I'll think of something, I'm not sure. But guys, this is pretty cool. Alright, well, again, if you made it this far, I want to say thank you. Next video, I promise we're gonna go do something a little more exciting than this. Go camping. And thank you, everybody. I have over 100 subscribers, which is like, wow. The van's got a freaking awning. Holy cow. Pretty cool. I think you can even put some sort of a, see, something like here. Does that go there? No? Maybe something like, maybe like a curtain almost. You see how they got that in there? That's freaking cool. The material is pretty strong, I gotta say. Pleasantly surprised. It's definitely, if you've ever felt a tent, it's like about 6 times thicker than a tent. Maybe 5 times. Maybe 4. I don't know. Don't listen to me. But it's definitely thicker than a tent. It says that it doesn't leak, or it's water resistant, whatever that means. I'm going to wrap this up. Let's go ahead and put this back together. Check this out, guys. It looks like a proper house. A bit of an angle. Okay, the door's gotta be closed. Get this. That goes there. So it does not fall. Yeah, it's definitely a 2-person job. But let's see if we can manage. Kind of helps if you're holding the fabric a little bit. Alright. Well, I'm afraid of it falling because I don't want it to get damaged. Put that back. This track. Oh wow, this even like clicks in. That's pretty cool. Okay, put that back. So it even like clicks into these little grooves, which is amazing. All right, and then we're gonna do it same way with, forgot the door. So we're gonna put it back the way we've taken it up. Wow, I'm genuinely impressed. I don't know what I can do, but I'd like to put something on the zippers so they don't like rust and get all cruddy and stuff, and then it's hard to open them and then you break them. So that's one thing, but I'm genuinely impressed. Nov sight. Nov sight. Nov in all the Slavic languages means new, so maybe it's new sight. Maybe it's from somewhere where they speak Slavic. I don't know. Who knows where it's from? But it's Nov sight. Alright, Nov sight. I like Nov sight. We'll see how long it lasts. Nov sight. I gotta say, it feels pretty good quality. Even this, yeah. The hardware feels amazing, but that's it. It's probably the most uninteresting video about an awning. But if you've ever wondered how an awning looks, or how an awning gets installed, or how not to install an awning, well, maybe I have some footage here for you. Alright guys, again, thank you so much for everything. I appreciate you. We'll see you in the next video. All the best. Bye. No sight.